Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How technology is shaping the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The 2022 World Cup in Qatar is the first of many things. The first World Cup held in the winter, the first held in Gulf Arab state, and the first to use a whole suite of new tracking technologies vying to modernize soccer's traditionalist culture. Like most incremental changes in sports, not all fans are on board. Like it or not though, Qatar, which has reportedly spent over $300 billion building out infrastructure for the tournament, since it was first awarded rights to the event 12 years ago, is using the opportunity to flaunt some of its glitziest, and in some cases scariest, high-tech solutions. Here are some of ways tech is impacting this year's FIFA World Cup. Each soccer ball used during this year's World Cup will feature connected ball technology developed by Adidas, which the sporting giant says should provide precise data tracking on the impact and movement of every kick and header on the pitch. Though the ball might look normal on the outside, internally it's equipped with a motion sensor powered by a rechargeable battery. That motion sensor sends data to FIFA's video match officials, who then review the data live to help determine offside decisions and resolve disputes over unclear touches. The motion sensor-equipped ball represents just one data point in semi-automated offside tracking technology intended to cut down on the amount of stoppage time for review. To determine whether or not players are offside, FIFA deploys 12 cameras underneath stadiums' roofs to track both the ball and up to 29 data points on individual players. By combining the limb and ball tracking data and applying artificial intelligence, the new technology provides an automated offside alert to the video match officials inside the video operation room. Whenever the ball is received by an attacker who was in an offside position at the moment the ball was played by a teammate. But here is where things get a little spooky. Once a referee confirms an offside decision, the automated system then generates a 3D animation and places that image on the giant screens in a stadium for all of the audience to see. On the creepier side of things, this year's World Cup will also go down as one of the most tightly surveilled in the sport's history. This year, each and every attendee entering a stadium will be tracked by a system of 15,000 cameras equipped with facial recognition technology. The surveillance apparatus, reminiscent of the tech used by more notorious Clearview AI, is reportedly controlled through a technical hub called the Aspire Command and Control Center. That command center will seat a row of technicians monitoring and analyzing those camera feeds. The surveillance system expands past stadium confines and will also include nearby train and bus stations. Overhead, drones will reportedly fly overhead to estimate crowd size, in addition to all the cameras and sensors tracking players' real-time movements. Players themselves can track their own details like never before with the new FIFA Player app. The new app monitors a player's game-time performance and then provides specific, player-tailored insights shortly after a match concludes. The app measures a variety of data points captured by on-field cameras, including distance covered, maximum speeds and number of actions performed above a certain speed threshold. Using those metrics and other signs of players' performance, an algorithm then translates that into analysis and insights footballers can study. All of the data is synchronized with actual match footage so a player can go back and see how they performed in key moments. Qatar has reportedly spent well over $300 billion on infrastructure and new stadiums for the 2022 World Cup since it was awarded rights to the event. Part of those funds went towards crafting Stadium 974, an odd monstrosity created entirely of shipping containers and modular steel. To compensate with those temperatures, stadiums will rely on a new cooling system, designed by Qatari professor Saud Abdulaziz Abdulgan, also known as Dr. Cooled, which works by cooling outside air that flows into the stadium through pipes, which is then expelled through grills in the stands and nozzles by the field. The cooling system was intentionally designed with sustainability in mind, is powered by solar energy. Officials reportedly use sensors to monitor temperature fluctuation from a command center and can adjust them when needed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.